Hi, it's Joan. This week I'd like to talk about bidding in the balancing seat and the idea of what is balancing at the bridge table. Well, there are two positions you can sit at after you've heard an opener. So, for example, South would open one heart here, and if you, West, were to bid in that position straight over the one heart opening, you'd be known as the person in the direct seat. But it's a bit different when the bidding goes like this: one heart, pass, pass. The person who is the partner of South, our hand, couldn't even bid. So that means they've got fewer than 6 points. Well, East is in a good position called the balancing position or the balancing seat. And balancing seat often means that your side has the balance of power. That's where the name came from. But if you're sitting East and you hear South open one heart, let's give them 13 points, and partner West couldn't bid for whatever reason. It might be wrong shape, too many hearts, not a good shape for doubling, not a good suit for overcalling. So for whatever reason they passed. The big uh, thing to notice is that the partner of the opener passed as well. They've definitely got fewer than 6 points. So if you're sitting here and you've got about 8 or 9 points, you know partner must have points. And a lot of the time, the points between the two sides are evenly divided. Let's say 13 and give them 5 or 6. Well, they didn't bid, so they've got fewer than 6. So let's say 14 and 6 are 20, or 14 and 5 are 19, or whatever. Your side has definitely got the balance of points. So even if you had only about 9, you know that partner will have some points. So the recommended action in balancing is to bid more lightly than you would have in the direct seat. So a double here shows a hand that probably hasn't got an overcall, a 5 or 6 card suit, but it could have about 8 points only. Anyway, it shouldn't stop South from bidding 2 hearts. And partners come to life with 3 diamonds. That's good. Let's pass. So the person who balanced had, in fact, 10 points, but they had good shape because they were short in hearts. They had a singleton heart. So we should be playing the King of Hearts and perhaps the Ace of Hearts. Partner looks as if they've got a doubleton heart. So the Queen will be probably in declarer's hand. So let's switch to a club. Declarer has obviously got the Ace King. Wow, looks like that looks as if we're making, or the east-west side are making diamonds easily. What to play? I don't want to play the ace. I'll play the 10. They have trumped their winning diamond, their winning heart, which was unnecessary. We know they haven't got, they have to have a spade. So they actually made 3 diamonds east-west.